Hi, we're back for another exciting segment on prep for turning between centers. I'm your host, Johnny CNC, and today we're going to look at Runout, what can be done about it, how to check it. Alright, we got our Jet 1014 mini lathe here. It's a Morse taper number 2. This is a magnetic base travel indicator. It's commonly available from a number of sources. They're somewhere in the neighborhood of $20 to $25, maybe $30 at the most. They're very handy for checking runout on your lathe and also for checking runout on such things as drill chucks and your drill press. Alright, we're going to check inside the spindle taper and just rotate the spindle by hand. Don't turn it on. And this lathe happens to check very nicely. It's about 1/2 of 1,000th or less total runout. That's very good for a wood lathe. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look here. We've got a new Morse taper number 2, carbide tipped. You can see the carbide tip on it there. It's brazed in and everything's ground in on a precision machine. It's a very nice unit. Here we've got a Morse taper number 2 live center. This portion right up here rotates independently. This goes in your tailstock. Alright, and we're going to check the runout. We're going to put the dead center in our spindle. Something you want to do is make sure your tapers are clean. Make sure these are clean and they don't have any nicks, burrs, rust, whatever. Alright, let's plug that in. That goes in the headstock, the part that turns. And we're going to take the live center and we're going to put it in the tailstock. You may need to push your quill out a little bit to get that seat. Okay. What we're going to do here is we're going to do a little investigating and we're going to see what kind of runout that we've got on our center tips. And I've got around 7/10. That's less than 1,000th runout here on the dead center. We'll come over here and we're going to check the live center. Now we're going to just turn this tip independently. We're going to turn this part right here independently. We're not going to push and wobble things around too much. We just want to turn that and check the inherent accuracy of this unit itself. Because if this has got runout in and of itself in the live center unit, you're going to have problems. And there's nothing you can really do to fix that besides replace it. And as I spin this, I get virtually nothing. It's as near perfect on runout as such thing's going to get. Okay. Next thing, we're going to talk about runout. How does that affect you with your bushings? I've got a new set of Junior Gent. This is for an upper barrel here of my special between center bushings. And I've got an aluminum pin blank that's been precision machined. The center has been reamed, the ends have been machined on a metal lathe. It's a nice precision unit. These bushings will go in and we're going to put these between the centers and we're going to check runout on the bushings. Because while the centers may be good, you need to check your bushings. If you've got problems with your bushings, then the best centers in the world aren't going to help. Alright, I've got around 5/10, maybe 7/10. That's less than 1,000th here on the tailstock end. That's excellent. The more parts you put in an assembly, the more chance there is for runout. Alright, we're going to come to the headstock side. And I'm getting around that same 7/10, less than 1,000th runout. Okay, like I said, this is a precision machine pen blank, and I would expect good results with it. Next, what I want to show you is the importance of Runout squaring the ends of your tubes, your blanks. These need to be squared to the inside of the tubes. This one is not done yet. It's only been rough turned, and it's not been trued up here on the ends for final assembly. And I want to show you what difference that makes. Same bushings, different blank. I'm getting about 2/1000 Runout now. You can see the indicator moving. Come to the headstock side. I've got about 4/1000 Runout. Same bushings, same centers, same lathe. All I did was change the pen blank. That is how much of a difference that squaring the ends of your blanks can make. So to recap, we used a magnetic base. It's got an off-on switch and a big heavy magnet. It's got an adjustment arm here. It's got a fine travel adjustment also. Some don't. Look for one with fine adjustment on it. It's well worth the extra few dollars. And we basically put this on the lathe, put it on the ways. You have to adjust this around in a bit of a cramped fashion, and you can get that to where it's still got a little travel, and you can check Runout on your lathe. Thanks for watching.